There is a lot here because Emily always brings a lot. We always know when you're coming on the show that there is going to be a lot. I'm always fascinated how people do Thanksgiving. And I'm fascinated how your Thanksgiving goes because you do always have a lot in what you go for.
We switch it up.
Yeah.
Because we have some family members that love turkey, some love ham.
Yeah.
We love beef. So we like to, you know, change it up.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, or Monday.
But you got some good ideas here when it comes. Pumpkin is getting expensive in the can.
It is. It is. I've noticed that when I've gone shopping, and there is an array of beautiful small pumpkins that you can actually purchase and deal with, and then freeze them so that you have pumpkin forever.
But this, I don't know. How do you? This kind of overwhelms me. Is it easy?
This is what the pumpkin looks like, right?
Okay.
You cut it in half crosswise. Right. I took out the seeds.
Right.
And then this goes into the oven. 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. And you have this beautiful.
This is after the oven.
Look at that. Okay. It just comes out like this. Beautiful.
It's so hard. Is it easy to cut?
It is super easy to cut. However, acorn squash is a little bit trickier because it has those ridges. So I actually poked this. You can kind of see it's got a little bit of bubbles here. I poked it with a knife or a fork and then popped it in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes. So what that does is I just, look at this. It's already started to cook. It's so easy to cut into, and then open it up and remove those seeds.
Same thing that you're doing with the pumpkin.
Exactly. Okay. And then what you can do with this is then, this is where the side dishes come in. So you can actually have, this is a beautiful mash, whether it's the pumpkin or any of the squash, butternut squash.
Is this the same stuff that's in the can? Like,
it is. It totally is. But you know what? I was telling Emily earlier, this doesn't taste as pumpkin-y, which is what some people want. Yeah. Right? So some people might want that softer pumpkin flavor. Sure. And you could, if you want it finer, food processor, you could put it in, put it through a food mill, anything like that. Right. And does that go in the oven? This goes in the oven then? Or no, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. And use it for whatever you want. Use it for whatever you want. Okay. You can pop it in the freezer and use it for later on. Maybe Christmas.
No, okay, where are you going? Where do you want to do?
So let's, the acorn squash, so you scoop this out. I'm going to steal this, okay? And you can stuff it with whatever you like. This is also a great vegetarian main course if you want, okay? So
are we stuffing it with this?
This is, yeah, you can put some of that in here and I'll scoop that out.
Oh, it's still warm.
It is warm because it's going to go in the oven and it's going to cook quickly.
What's in here?
This is ricotta cheese, some Gruyere cheese, a little bit of cream, spinach, and garlic. So super, super easy. And once that goes in, you put a little bit more Gruyere cheese on, and then this goes into the oven covered. I know it is hot. I'm making you work. Okay. This goes into the oven for 30 minutes. Okay? Right. So when that comes out, you have this beautiful. And then this is going to go back in the oven because we want it to get golden and burnished. The rest of that cheese goes on.
Did you say burnish?
Burnished. Yes. Isn't that burnished? Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah. And so you can serve this as a main course, cut it up into wedges as a side dish, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay. But this is one of my favorites. As a side dish or a first course, you're going to add, we have some butter melting there. Okay. Some fresh sage because now is the time. And this gets the house to smell nice too, doesn't it? It's absolutely beautiful. And I think if you wave it around, it does other things too, right?
So your mother-in-law doesn't come? Oh, the monster always shows up. At my house, love mother-in-laws. That's right. Mine too?
Pumpkin gnocchi. So that pumpkin mash that we made is perfect for gnocchi. Okay, this is all on you. So you have it, they float to the top.
So did you make this gnocchi?
I made these gnocchi. So all it is a cup of pumpkin mash, okay?
These look like perfect little gnocchis.